perfect. Though it looks a little, yeah, frostbit. But for the most part, it all looks real good. Excellent. That's weird. The stuff that was in contact with the blanket and the tarp was on top of the blanket, but it still got frostbit. It's very interesting. So, speaking of frostbite, this is the pineapple. And this was under the blanket, but like this, so it's got this little dead spot. You can see all the frostbite there. There's some discoloration. It looks like a green pepper that's getting old, you know, squishy and mushy. Same here. All this was kind of exposed. I didn't do a good job. You see this light. This light was pretty warm, and as you can see, it burnt the tip of this that was up against it. So shame on me for being a lazy mofo. But the question is, should I cut this stuff off? Would it like bring back poison to the rest of the plant? I don't know. The tent drying out. And here's this avocado that got totally burnt up. I ripped the leaves off and hopefully it'll be okay. But the damn onions, no problem. And damn, the brand new sprout didn't make it either. But the bamboos didn't get burned or nothing. They look fine. Maybe on the tips, but this one's pretty tough. Lemon tree's a little burnt. But you know, I didn't do anything to this bamboo. And we get down to 16 degrees. That's 1 degree lower than the recommended temperature of 17 degrees. But man, it's not even burnt or nothing. It looks pretty good. This one's fine too, and it's irking me because I didn't have to chop down the back bamboo, it seems.